Welcome to my Cad Tutorials, and from this channel you can learn AutoCAD 2D, SketchUp and Lumin from beginner level to advanced level. In the previous tutorial we have seen what is the line command and how to use line command. So in this video I will tell something about Polyline command and Polyline. So in this video we will see what is the Polyline command, how to use Polyline command, what is the difference between line and polyline, how to give width to polyline, and how to draw rectangle and polygon, which are the examples of the polyline. So first of all we will see what is the polyline. So we can say that polyline means many lines. It is different from line. Polyline creates whole object in a one segment. Here I am drawing something using polyline. You can see this. I have drawn this 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line and 5th line, and I am selecting just one line. You can see here all lines are selected. So polyline creates whole object in a one segment. So you can say that these all lines are selected as a one segment. A polyline is an object in AutoCAD that includes one or more lines or arc segments. We can also draw arcs with these lines at a one time, and we can say that the rectangle and polygon is an example of a polyline. So now we will see how to draw polyline. You can see here the polyline tool in the draw panel in the home tab. So if we want to invoke polyline command, just click on the polyline. The polyline command is invoked, or you can use the shortcut keys, which is P, L and press the enter key. The polyline command is invoked. It is showing us specify the start point. So I am specifying one start point. Then you can give the length of your line, or you can select the second point of this line. I am giving just length of 15 unit. I am pressing enter, and you can see here the 15 unit line is drawn by polyline. I am again drawing one line, that of 5 unit, and again drawing line which is 15 unit. And now these three lines I have drawn at a one time by using polyline. Now I want to draw arc with these lines. You can see here the arc option in the command bar. Just click on the arc. The arc will be invoked. You can see here the some methods of the draw angle. If you have angle of the arc, you can select angle. If you have center point of the arc, you can select the center point. You can select the direction. You can select the radius as per your requirement. So now I am selecting radius from here, and I am giving the radius of the arc 2.5, and I am pressing enter key. You can see here the 2.5 radius arc is ready. Now we have to select the end point of this arc, but it is showing us inner side of this drawing, but I want to draw this arc outer side of this drawing. So I will press the control key and just selecting end point. So you can see here the angle is changed by pressing control key. Just press the control key and select the end point of arc. Now I want to come out from this polyline command. So if you want to come out from the polyline command, just press enter key, space key or escape key, or you can do the right click and click on the enter. Or fifth method to come out from the polyline is, you can see here the close option in the command bar. Just click on the close. You will come out from the polyline command. I am just clicking on the arc. You can see here the whole object is selected as a one segment. So by this way you can use the polyline command as per your requirement. Now our next topic is how to give width to polyline. Now I am selecting again polyline command from here, or you can type PL and press enter. Polyline command will invoke. Now I want to give the width of the polyline. It is showing us specify the start point. I am specifying one start point. You can see here some options in the command bar. I want to give width to polyline, so I am selecting width from here. Just click on the width, and here you can see in the command bar it is asking us specify the starting width, so I will specify the starting width of a 1 unit and press enter. It is asking us specify the ending width, so I am specifying the ending width 3 unit and press enter. So you can see here it is showing us starting width as well as ending width. Now just give the length of this line or specify the end point. So I am giving the length of this line as a 40 unit and press enter. So you can see here the starting width is different and the ending width of this line is different. I want to give again width to this polyline, and you can see here that this is continuous. So I want to give again width to polyline. I am again clicking on the width in the command bar. Specify the starting width. I am specifying the starting width as a 3 unit, press enter. I am specifying the ending width as a 1 unit, press enter. You can see here I am specifying the ending point of this line, and I am coming out from the polyline command by escape key. You can see here starting width is different and ending width is different. So if you want to give width to polyline, just select the width option from the command bar and give width. So by this way you can give width to polyline. So our next topic is what is the difference between line and polyline. To show the difference, I am just doing one drawing by using line command and as well as polyline command. First of all, I am selecting line from here and I am drawing something. I am drawing the same drawing by using polyline command. Now you can see that I have drawn this drawing by using line command and this drawing by using polyline command. So I am just selecting one line from this drawing and one line from this drawing. You can see here the major difference is when I am selecting one line from this drawing, it will show the selected only one line. But when I am selecting one line from this drawing, it is showing us whole object is selected as a one segment. So we can say that the major difference is that when we select a polyline, it will selected as a whole object. But when we select line, it is selected as a one line segment. The second difference is we can edit polyline with pedit command, whereas there is no specific command to edit line. We can edit polyline but we cannot edit line. The third difference is we can give width to polyline but we cannot give width to line. We have seen that how to give width to polyline. The fourth difference is polyline command can draw curve segment as well as line at a one time. We have seen that we can draw line as well as curve at a one time by using polyline, but the line command can only draw line segments at a one time. So the fifth difference is in line command we can give offset of a single line. I am just selecting offset here and I am giving the offset of 1 unit, press enter, and I am giving the offset of the single line from this drawing which is drawn by using line command, and I can give the offset of this single line. But if I want to give the offset of a single line from this drawing which is drawn by polyline, but I cannot give the offset of a single line, I am showing here and I have selected offset command and giving offset of 1, enter, and I am just giving offset. You can see that the whole object is offset, but I cannot give offset of a single line. So if I want to give offset to polyline, firstly I have to explode this polyline, then I can give the offset of a single line. Now come to our last topic, which is how to draw rectangle and polygon. I have told at the starting of this video that we can say that the rectangle and polygon is the example of polyline, just because of when we select rectangle, it will select whole rectangle object, and when we select polygon, it will also select the all lines of polygon. So now we will see how to draw rectangle in the AutoCAD. Here you can see the rectangle command. Just click on this drop down and select rectangle from here. The rectangle command is invoked, or you can use the shortcut keys that are type REC and press enter. The rectangle command is invoked. Now it is showing us specify the first point. So I am specifying the first point here, or you can specify as per requirement. Now it is asking specify other corner point, or we can give the width and length of this rectangle. So I want to give the width of this rectangle is 10 and height is 5. So I am just typing 10 and I am pressing comma, and again I am giving the height 5 and press enter. You can see here the width is 10 and the height is 5. So by this way you can draw the rectangle. Just click on the rectangle, specify the first point, first give the width and press comma or tab button and give the height and press enter. So now we will see how to draw polygon in the AutoCAD. So again click on this drop down and you can see here the polygon option. If you are clicking on polygon, the polygon command will be invoked. So just click on the polygon command is now invoked, or you can use the shortcut key which is POL and press the enter. So now polygon command is invoked. Now it is showing us enter the number of sides. Sides means this. You can see here the sides. So enter the number of sides. I am entering the number of sides here 6. You can enter the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as per requirement. For now I am entering here the number of sides is 6. So I am just pressing 6 and press the enter. Now it is showing us specify the center of polygon. So I am specifying the center of polygon some here, and it is showing us two options. What is in the first option? If you have the length from the center point to here, you can select the first option, and if you already have the length from this center point to here, you can select the second option. So for the first option, if you have this length, you can select first option, and if you have this length, you can select the second option. So for now I am selecting the first option. So you can see here which length we have to enter, and just give the length. I am giving the length as a 10 and press enter. And if you have not proper length, you can also select the point. So by this way you can draw the polygon. So now we have seen if we have this length or this length, we can draw polygon. But if we have the length of side, then how to draw polygon in AutoCAD? So again I am selecting polygon from here, or you can type POL and press enter. Polygon command is invoked. I am giving the number of side as 7 and press enter. And you can see here the edge option in the command bar. Just click on the edge and it is showing us specify the first endpoint of the edge. So I am specifying the first endpoint here, and you can see it is showing us which length we have to give now, which is side length. So I am giving the side length as 10, or you can, if you have not length, you can also specify any point. So now I am pressing enter. You can see here the 7 sides and the side length is 10 unit. So by this way you can draw the polygon. So thank you so much for watching. If you got something from this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and press on the bell icon to get notified for new videos.